Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Abiba from Abdullah Zaid's Enterprise. In this video, I'll be teaching and putting you through on how to set up email on GoHighLevel. Email services in iLevel is probably one of the most complicated things that you are going to set up inside of iLevel. And whether you have tons of clients on your iLevel or you are the only one using it, it's worth getting this right. So today we are going to cover levels of setting up emails for yourself and for clients. So let's start with the first one, which is the lead connector default email system. So you may have noticed this one. If you sign up with iLevel and you try to send an email, it sends with this weird thing that says via mg.msgsndr.com. That's short for message sender, and the MG stands for mailgun. So this is iLevel's own mailgun account, and they use this message sender domain to send emails on behalf of anyone that just randomly sign up for iLevel account and needs to send email right away. Now, there are a lot of drawbacks on this first one. You are probably going to get marked as spam. The benefit of this one is that it sends without having to do any other setup, but the obvious drawback is you are going to get great deliverability. The second one is using a software white labeled sending domain. So an example of this would be something like mail.yourwebsite.com, and basically what this one does is it is the same as the iLevel one, but instead of sharing the sender's reputation with everyone that's ever signed up for an iLevel account, you'd only be sharing with everyone that's using your version of software, because they are the only one that could access that sending domain. So the pros here are you are probably going to have better reputations, you are going to get better deliverabilities. However, the cons are if one goes rogue and starts sending a million different emails at the same time, then that could screw up sending for everyone else using that domain. So this works as a temporary solution, but it's not a great long-term one. Now, before we go to the level 3, we need to understand what DNS settings are. Basically, these are the rules that tell certain parts of your domain where to point and what to do. So let's say my domain is abdullahzaids.com. If I set up a domain that would put something before the agency dominance part of that domain, so it could be mail.abdullahzaid.com. The place you set that domain up is called the DNS settings, and as a reseller of iLevel, you are going to have your own DNS settings, but you are also going to have your client's DNS settings that you may have to deal with at some point. And lastly, that brings me to number 4, which is getting access to every single individual DNS settings going in there, and going in there and setting it up for them, or having them set it up now. This by far is going to get you the best sender reputation and deliverability for your clients. However, it is the most difficult to set up because you have to get access to either set it up for them or teach them how to set it up. So first, let's discuss level 1. Go to agency settings. Once you open your agency settings, go to email services, and then email services. You see that the default provider is a lead connector here. This is how level 1 is set up. You literally do nothing. Now, if you want to set up level 2, which is a software-wide sending domain, I would also come to the agency settings, email services, then dedicated domain right here for everyone in this account. And as you can see here, I've got the dedicated domain and I've got the notification section. So notification emails, meaning that they are sent to anyone that is an agency or sub account user, is going to send for the domain I set up here. And the dedicated to domain here will be for any emails that are going to people outside of the user of any individual sub account or the agency. So first, let's set up the dedicated domain. So I'm going to click add domain right here, and here I'm going to put a domain name that match the name of my software. So in this case, it's abdullahzaidenterprise.com. So abdullahzaidenterprise.com. So a little trick that I like to do is just to do whatever the first name of the domain is. So in this case, I'd say a dot. In this, I'll say a. Hold on, please. A dot, and then I'll put the name of the domain here, and that's the dedicated domain. So now I'm going to go ahead and click add and verify, and it's going to give me all those random letters and numbers. Click on continue, wait for it to set up your domain. So it will give me all these random letters and numbers and things that I need to add to my DNS settings. I host my DNS here in GoHighLevel, so I'm going to open that and go to DNS. So click on verify records. So the way this works is that all this type handles different things. MX records are for emails, C names are for subdomains, etc. So I'll head over to my DNS record here on GoHighLevel. I'll go to settings in the sub accounts. I'll head over to the domain and URL. Then here is the domain. Click on manage and head over to the DNS record right here. So once you've opened the DNS record, you have to add the records that were given in the here that were given right here. So you have to add them over. So click on add record. All right, so we have to add all these records in here and add them. So for this one, we'll copy the type here is txt. Would put that in here. Would click on txt. We'll copy the host name is A, and we'll copy this right here. So for the name, you would put A, and for the content, you paste the copied stuff right there and save that. So once you've saved, the record has been added. As you can see, record added successfully. Then you do the same for the second one right here. It's also a txt. Would copy this one right here for the host name. Copy that. You'd also click on add record again because you are adding the record one by one. You're not adding everything all together. Paste that here. For the content, you head back and copy this, then paste it right in the content. Then you save. This record has also been added. Then we'll add the third record. The third record is a C name. We'd copy this. Add it to the record. It's a C mail. Choose the option C name. Paste that here, and go ahead to copy the mail gun right there. The content target. You're going to copy that and paste it right here in the target. You save that also. You'd add the fourth one, the fourth record. The fourth record here is MX. You would copy the mail gun here is that. Copy that. Yeah, MX A is that right here. And the priority, we are going to, let's say 10. Let's choose 10 for the priority, and the TTL will be auto. Save that also. Then the next one is also MX. So copy this also. It's also MX. Choose the option MX. The name right there is A. Paste this here. The input should also be 10. The priority rather should also be 10. Then save that. Then the record has been added. Head over to do the last one. Sorry about that. So the last one is a txt. We are going to copy this. Add record. It's a txt type. Paste that right here. Also copy this right there and paste it back on the record. Then save that. So you've added all the records in the DNS. So now that we have all of those set up, we are going to click verify domain right there. You verify the domain. And as you can see, all the domains we did has been verified right here. And most times it will still say verify now over here. All you have to do is click that and verify it over again. So now you can see that this dedicated domain is set up with the same IP on the subdomain, meaning if we go back here, you can see that the default provider for anyone sending email is a.abdullahzahidenterprise.com. So any email they send are going to say their name and email via abdullahzahidenterprise.com. Now, if we go to this location settings here, if I were to go into any of those individuals, like here, let's check this one out. You can see that we are on lead connector email. However, this domain here is just the default, so I would need to select this one here in order to have the email sent through that. So click on save, and now you can send email via this domain right here. Now let's move on to level 3, which is creating a custom subdomain inside of your DNS settings on behalf of a client. So here I'm inside dummy client sub account, and I'm going to head over to the settings, then click on email services right there. And as you can see, it is on a default provider here. So instead, I'm going to switch it to a dedicated domain. So I'll click on dedicated domain, and I'll click on add domain right there. And this is where you would either set it up on their DNS or your DNS. In this case, we are setting up inside of our own DNS. So we could do something like z.zahid enterprise.com. So you click on add and verify. Once you've clicked on add and verify, it is just going to give you this DNS record. Click on continue. It is going to give you this DNS record and to add inside of your DNS settings, and it is exactly the same as what we've done earlier. So it will give you this random numbers and letters. So click on verify records and add them into your DNS settings, and that's it. That is how to set up email on GoHighLevel. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more GoHighLevel tutorial videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
My name is Gloria, and I just want to let you know that I signed up with GHL using a Duelist affiliate link. His team of experts in GHL helped us set up the workflow and the billing, gave us all the snapshots for the gym, and they answered all our additional questions. His team has been wonderful. Abdullah's support, I can't begin to say how much we appreciate it. I would definitely highly recommend this.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to GoHighLevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised, and also I worked closely one-on-one with his GoHighLevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through GoHighLevel, helped me create some workflows and then automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it, and yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.
We signed up with Abdullah's affiliate link, and I'm glad that we actually had the bonus that he promised. He has these great experts, GHL experts working with him, and they actually provided us really great help in setting up the billing and the workflow with the agency that we were actually establishing. So they actually help us via private WhatsApp group. Plus, he also gave us the promised snapshots that we actually uploaded now in our GHL account. So highly recommended team, super, try them out. Thanks Abdullah for your help, really appreciate it.
My name is Abdullah Zahid, the founder and CEO of Abdullah Zahid Enterprise, and over the period of years, I've been an affiliate of GoHighLevel, interviewing the CEO Sean Clark, the co-founder Varun Varavan, and the big names in the GoHighLevel, as well as other people serving the affiliates, winning this affiliate silver affiliate award from the GoHighLevel. Literally, now we are even expanding it bigger. We have created a team of 6 people just to serve each of our affiliates in the future, and the kind of bonuses that we have crafted that is going to ensure that you skyrocket in the fastest way to succeed towards your goal with the GoHighLevel, and literally the personal time or the personal support bonus that you deserve to get, which you are not getting anywhere else. That is what we are delivering. The team of 6 people that we have formed. Meet the team: Mr. Peter, the community manager; Mr. Ayamin, the client growth manager; Ms. Habiba, the video manager; Mr. Rochana, the project manager; and Mr. Zedek, the media manager; and me, myself. All 6 people full-time dedicated to our affiliate. So you get the best of benefits becoming part of our family by signing up to the 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel, or upgrading to $297 plan or $497 plan. The link is abdullahzahid.com/snapshot. Now let me just quick walkthrough with what you are going to get. The first personally crafted bonus is one-to-one private support that we are giving through our WhatsApp group that is formed between personally you, me, and my GoHighLevel experts. Now, the moment that you sign up to the 30-day free trial or upgrade to $297 or $497 plan, on the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshot, you'll even find the phone number to privately message me so that I quickly form the group. The kind of support that we are giving, just look at it. And literally the people are amazed. The client's feedback I'm going to show you, like literally they are in wonder that, okay, this kind of support was available, because the last thing that you need is another course from another affiliate. The best of courses are there in your GoHighLevel University dashboard, the 5-day challenge, the SaaS challenge, the AI challenge. You don't need another course. That's what we want to ditch. You need personal support. But people can't afford the personal support because they don't have the team of people working as a company for you. So we are investing for you to ensure you get the best of benefit. And this is just one of them. The second thing that you are going to get private community access, where we are conducting this weekly mastermind call every Saturday, where you get to get connected with everybody else. So many people, as you can see, one after the other, you get to find people, and we just discussed the strategies of acquiring the clients and succeeding with GoHighLevel. Everybody shared this strategy and you walk out with a better brain. And anyways, you can join community anytime that you want, even if you haven't signed up as an affiliate. abdullahzahid.com/community, you just join us. And then lastly, thirdly, we have crafted this 100+ snapshots, which are exclusively gathered over a period of years, and literally one of these snapshots like literally costs $1,000 plus, and we are giving you the entire 100+ set as a bonus. And with the snapshot, this is just one click, plug and play, and your entire sub account is ready for any niche that you want. 100+ niches, imagine the best possible bonuses, and this is what we came up for. And most importantly, what we are proud of is the personal support that we are giving. And we literally believe that nowhere else you can get this kind of support, because nobody has a team of 6 people full-time working to serve the affiliates. So go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, sign up for the 30-day free trial using our link, or upgrade to $297 or $497 plan. Privately WhatsApp me anytime that you want, or email me, and you get the best possible bonuses that you deserve to get, which nowhere else you're getting. People want to get away by just giving you done-for-you courses, which you can get anyways, even better courses onto the university dashboard of your GoHighLevel. We believe you deserve the personal time. Wish you guys all the best.